Hey everyone, I'm Leo, and today we're going on an unforgettable journey to one of the most iconic wonders of the world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. From ancient mysteries to breathtaking desert views, this place has stood strong for over 4,500 years. And yes, I brought my Black Rebel moto along for the ride, because every adventure needs style. We've arrived in Cairo, the vibrant capital of Egypt. The energy here is incredible. Busy streets, warm weather, and history everywhere. But just outside the city lies something truly magical. The pyramids are waiting. Wow, there it is. The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu. Built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, this massive structure was once the tallest man-made building in the world. Just look at the size of these stones. Each block weighs tons, and yet they were placed with incredible precision. This pyramid was built around 2560 BC. Imagine that, over 4,500 years ago. Historians believe it took tens of thousands of workers to complete it. No modern machines, no cranes, just human effort, intelligence, and determination. Some people even wonder if there are still hidden chambers inside. The mystery continues. Okay, this is something you have to try, riding a camel in the desert. The view from here is just amazing. Sand dunes, blue sky, and the pyramids rising like giants from the earth. This is not just a place, it's an experience. Now this is the perfect shot. My Black Rebel moto meets ancient history. It's like past and present coming together in one frame. Not bad, right? As the sun sets behind the pyramids, everything turns golden. You can't help but feel small, but also connected to something much bigger. History, time, and human achievement. If you ever get the chance to visit the Great Pyramid of Giza, take it. It's more than just a landmark. It's a journey through time. I'm Leo, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Stay curious, stay bold, and keep exploring.
Vocabulary. Ancient. Very old, from a long time ago. Example, the pyramids are ancient structures. Massive. Very large and heavy. Example, the pyramid is massive and impressive. Mystery, something that is not fully understood. Example, the pyramid still holds many mysteries.
Practice questions. 1. Have you ever visited a historical place? Describe it. 2. Why do you think the pyramids are important? 3. Would you like to travel to Egypt? Why or why not?